Hello, in this session we're going to install Ubuntu 16.04 on VirtualBox. Okay, so I've opened up VirtualBox. Again, if you haven't got VirtualBox, you can download it. It's a free download. So I'll click the new icon and I'll just type in what I'm going to install on Ubuntu, and I'm going to put Hadoop on it. So I'll put ADOP. Again, you can decide whatever you're going to install on it there. So I'm going to choose Linux and Ubuntu 64-bit. I'll click Next. I'm going to increase the RAM here up to about 4096. Okay, I'll click Next. I'm going to select a virtual hard disk. Okay, click Next again. Dynamically allocated. Okay, click Next. 10 gigs. Again, I can increase the size if I want. Let's say I put it up to 25 or 30 gigs again, or else just type it in there. Click Create. And you can see there it's created it directly here on the spot. Okay, now it hasn't started it up. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to configure it. So I'm going to click on Settings and click on Advanced. Now I want to be able to copy and paste directly into it from my hard disk. So I'm going to say bidirectional, and bidirectional for drag and drop. The next thing I need to do is where I have downloaded the Ubuntu ISO disk. So I'll click on Storage, and you can see here controller ID, and beside this is empty. Okay, so I'll click on empty, and I'll click on the little disk icon here to the right. Okay, and choose Virtual Optical Disk. So you can see here I've already downloaded Ubuntu 16.04 desktop, the ISO. Again, just type that into any search engine and download it. Okay, so have it on your hard disk or your download somewhere. There's the Ubuntu. I'll click Open, and I'll click OK. From this point now, I'll just click the Start arrow here at the top. And when this starts now, it should take me through the configuration of starting up. So you can see there everything's starting up. Okay, at this point you'll see you'll get to this screen. Just click Install Ubuntu. Again, I'm going to allow updates, and I'm going to allow third party, and I'll click Continue. So I'm happy enough with that. Erase disk and install Ubuntu. Yes, I'll click Install now and let that happen. I'm going to click Continue. Again, it's picked up where I am, my location, Dublin. So click Continue. Picked up the keyboard. I'm happy enough with that. I'll click Continue. Again, you could always change those or click keyboard detect. Okay, here I'm just going to type in my initials. Okay, and a password. Okay, again, we'll need this later on, so. And I'm going to click Login automatically on this as well. I'll click Continue. And you can see here at the bottom, it's copying files. And after it's copied them, it will start the install. So I'll just pause the video until that's finished. When the installation is complete, you'll see this Restart Now. So click the Restart Now button and let it restart. Again, you'll come to this, just hit Enter on your keyboard to remove the installation folder. Okay, and let it reboot. Okay, after it's rebooted to this screen, I'll just move it up slightly. When it's rebooted to this screen, what I'd like you to do now is just go to Devices and install Guest Editions CD image. This allows you to copy and paste. Again, once you've done this, click on that. It will ask to run a script. Click Run and type in your password. Authenticate. And just give this a couple of minute or two to add those add-ons on. Okay, at this point you'll see press return to close this window. That's what we want to do after everything has been added on. So I'll just hit return on the keyboard here, return, and I'm just going to reboot again. So I'll click on open terminal and reboot, issue the reboot command, and just reboot the instance. This will the copy and paste won't work unless you do this. So do that, and we'll just test it out when it reboots. Okay, the desktop now has rebooted. I'm just going to right click and open terminal. Okay, and I've copied the text. This is a test, so I'm just going to right click and click paste. And you can see this is a test. Obviously, the command wasn't found. But at least I know I can copy and paste now from the rest of any files I have here at the computer. I can copy and paste them directly into VirtualBox. This will save a lot of time as you're going along. Okay, in our next video we'll install Hadoop, okay, and run a MapReduce job. Thank you for your attention.